This is the Helivora sliding shower chair. Now, this is a pretty solid chair. It has some different functionality as well as some adjustability options. And this is mainly made from these aluminum tubes that are all nicely welded together. It has a couple suction cups on the feet that will help hold it in place a bit better once it's stuck in a tub or shower. And all four of these legs are adjustable, so if one of your surfaces is higher than the other, then you can very easily level it out. The seat bottom here is nice and sturdy. It's made from a very dense PU cushioning material. Same with the backrest material. It is a very dense, almost solid material, but it provides a little bit of comfort rather than just a hard seat, and it is also very easy to clean. There's these two nice handles on either side which can rotate up. They basically have these levers here which releases the pin in the front, which lets them unlock and fold away. There is also a sort of seat belt here which is adjustable, and the handles have a nice soft foam grip, nice and comfortable to grab onto. And there's also this plastic clip which you can use to hold a shower head. And then on the bottom of the seat there is this yellow lever, and pushing that releases a pin, and that lets you slide this over. And once it slides to the other side, it will clip into place again. And there is one final lever over on the right side of the seat, and pulling this releases a pin, which allows you to turn the seat, and it will clip into place in 90-degree increments, but pulling it again, you can just keep rotating it all the way in a circle. Now, as far as the sturdiness of this thing, it feels pretty wobbly when there's no weight on here, but once you put even just a little bit of weight on here, it becomes nice and solid. There is a little bit of movement, but overall it is very stable, and since the legs angle out to the sides, it's not gonna fall over, and the backrest along with the armrests are pretty solid as well. And all of the levers and buttons are very easily in reach of whoever is sitting on here. So one person can operate it by themselves. You don't have to have a second person. Now, just to show you a quick demonstration on how you'd use this, I'm gonna pretend this cardboard box is the tub wall, and you're gonna put the bench right up against it as close as you can. And then you can very easily turn the chair, slowly put one leg into the tub, and then you can pretty easily turn the chair 90 degrees and lift your feet up over the tub wall and then slide into the tub. And just so you can see the full height of this, it has a pretty large clearance of just over 17 inches. And all of these pieces slide nice and smoothly, so it's pretty easy to slide over the tub. Same with turning it, there is very little friction, so it's very easy to turn. Also, as far as the assembly, this thing was super easy to put together. I put it together in maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Really all it is just clicking a few of these pins into place. So yeah, overall this is a very nice sliding shower chair. It has some very helpful functionality that lets you pretty easily slide into a shower or tub, and it's also made pretty well with all of the aluminum pieces. It is very stable and sturdy, and I also like how all of the legs are adjustable.